I'm going to quickly show you how to install MySQL on Windows. First, go to the link in the description, which should take you to the download page for MySQL. Then click on MySQL Community Downloads. Click on MySQL Installer for Windows. Click on this download button. Click on No Thanks, just start my download. Once it's done downloading, open up the installer. Select Custom and click on Next. Now from the available products, add MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell, which are the products you typically need. Then click on Next and click on Execute. Click on Next and Execute again to install them. Leave these settings as is unless you have any reason to change them. Here, make sure Use Strong Password Encryption for authentication is selected. Now add a root password to MySQL. It's important that you don't forget this password, so maybe note it down somewhere or use something you'd remember. I'm going to leave these next few settings as is. Now you should have MySQL installed. If you want to access MySQL with your terminal, we need to add its path to Windows environment variables. To do this, first go to the install location of MySQL, then open up the server folder, and then the bin folder. Now copy this path over, then search for and open Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click on Path and click on Edit. Click on New and paste in the folder path we copied. Now MySQL should be visible from the terminal as well.